Okay, so let me tell you a little bit what you need to review before the final exam. Let me start with some good news. There's no ISLM BP model on the exam, neither in a linear version or in a general form with implicit functions. So I think the hardest thing you would have to learn is gone. Secondly, on the final exam, we're not going to have Tyler and McLaurin series. We're gonna use it next semester. Look, I understand that this semester was tough and weird, so I'm gonna tell you quite specifically what you need to prepare for the exam, and just try to do your best. Okay, so look, you see what you need to learn basically on this list. So linear version of market model, model with one good. Remember to also do model with two goods. How to find solutions using matrix algebra, comparative static derivatives. So remember, those are derivatives of equilibrium solutions with respect to some parameters, interpretations. This is very important, and graphs. All of this you will find, actually everything you've got here you can find in the notes that I've provided you. Most of it, because we started with, I think, linear ISLM model uh, here, and we didn't cover input, and we covered input output model in the at the very beginning, but everything else you can find on YouTube. You have all the notes. Okay, then there is the same thing about linear ISLM model, finding the solution, finding comparative static derivatives, interpretations. Remember, fiscal, monetary policy effects, graphs. Then Leontief input-output model. Remember also about the interpretations of the coefficients of the input matrix. Then how to get the Leontief matrix, how to find the solution, how to find comparative static derivatives. And remember, comparative static derivatives are in Leontief matrix. All of this we discussed during the class. Oh, and remember, all of these subjects are covered in length in your textbooks, in chunk. You can find them all there. Okay, then market model with general functions. So you will be asked to solve some problem with, let's just say, where you need to you have a market model and need to calculate some comparative static derivatives. You need to use implicit function rule, calculate comparative static derivatives, give their interpretation, make the graph. And then the same for ISLM model with general function. Use implicit function rule, put everything in matrix algebra, calculate comparative static derivatives, graphs, interpretations. Then everything about cost function, that was like really short, so I think you will not have any problems dealing with this one. And customer's choice theory. So the newest edition, uh, newest edition, uh, from this, you definitely need to know how to solve a problem where you have given some utility function, budget, prices of factors, and interpretations. All of that I've been talking about during the videos. Okay, if I remember correctly, you have like 5 or 6 exercises to do. 5, I think. Yeah, 5 exercises, 90 minutes to do it. And there is, believe me, this is way more time than you actually need. Okay, if you have any other questions, you can ask them here in comment sections, or preferably on our Facebook group. And then on a Facebook group, we're gonna set up what is going to be the date of your exam, because the date there's in the system, it's too soon. It's definitely too soon, so we need to postpone it. Okay, take care and good luck on the exam. Bye.